Hello everyone, let's continue chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. So, today we are going to start a new topic, that is puberty and adolescence. What is adolescence? The body starts growing as soon as child is born. By the age of 10 or 11 years, there is sudden gain in the growth of the body. The body changes can be observed in both boys as well as girls. This is the time when a body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. This age is called adolescence. This period of age is also called teenage, beginning from 13 to 18 years. However, the period of adolescence varies from individual to individual. Generally, in girls, adolescence begins earlier than the boys by a year or two. These changes mark the onset of puberty. Puberty is a period when a sexually mature boy or girl become sexually matured and capable of reproduction. It normally occurs between the age of 11 to 16 years in boys and 10 to 15 years in girls. Puberty ends when the adolescents reach reproductive maturity. What are some of the physical changes that will begin to occur with puberty? So let us discuss about physical changes that take place in both boys and girls. The first change that can be witnessed during puberty is increase in height. The girls grow faster than boys initially, but later both of them reach their maximum height by 18 years of age. Sudden increase in height makes children look slimmer. So here you can see a chart in which age in years is given and percentage of full height in both boys and girls is given. Now we come to changes in body shape. In males, the shoulders become broader and the chest become wider due to increased muscle development. While in females, the waist broadens and deposition of fat around the hips takes place. Next is development of body and facial hair. In both boys and girls, hairs develop under armpits and in the pubic region, that is the private part. Boys also develop hairs on the face and chest. So here you can see female hair pattern on the face. In the next picture you can see male hair pattern. In the next picture you can see female hair growth pattern on the body, and in the next picture you can see male hair growth pattern on the body. So next we come to the voice change. During puberty, the larynx or the voice box of the boys begins to grow. It can be seen as a protrusion from the throat region. Protrusion means outward region. So this is called Adam's apple. Boys also develop a deep or hoarse voice, whereas in girls the Adam's apple is not visible at all. Their voice becomes high-pitched and shrill. Next we come to increased activity of secreting glands. These are sebaceous and sweat glands. During puberty, both sweat and sebaceous, that is oil producing gland, become more active. So here you can see sebaceous gland and sweat gland just deep inside the skin. Sebaceous glands are oil producing gland and sweat glands are sweat producing gland. So because of this, the appearance of acne and pimples on the face is quite common. So next we come to the development of human reproductive organs or system. In boys, the testes and the penis develop completely and the testes start producing sperms. The sperm is a male gamete and is motile in nature. Motile means capable of moving. In girls, the ovaries enlarge. The eggs or ova, which are the female gametes, begins to mature and are released by the ovary. The process in which an ovum is released by an ovary is called ovulation. From the onset of puberty, one ovum is released every 28 days. Next is mammary glands develop in girls. During puberty, among girls, breasts increase in size and milk producing glands called mammary glands develop inside them. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.